Welcome to the CryptoNest. So the chart of Bitcoin. Let me go. I'm gonna share with you guys something. So first of all, I wanna check the fear and greed. Last time I checked with you guys, we were at 50. Now we are at 32, and you can see the market cap also is going higher, volume higher, and yeah, BTC dominance is slightly lower. Now, why is the fear and greed going lower? Well, it must be because of this part here, of this downtrend that we had. Now, there is also something else. I think yesterday, was it yesterday or today? No, it was yesterday. The core PCI, so it went a little bit, the results were higher than the target forecasted. So core CPI was actually 0.3, the forecast was 0.2. The yeah, unemployment, that was a big one. So they were expecting 231k and actually had 258k. So I mean, this is not good for the economy, but it's good for yeah, the crypto and stocks, because it means government now, they really need to do something, because stats are not going great and actually worse than what they were expecting. All right, so now I must say, yesterday I was a little bit pissed, and you know, there is always this freaking double standards for traditional finance and crypto. So look at that. Was it this one? No, it's this one. TD Bank fined 3 billion US dollar after pleading guilty in historic US money laundering. Yeah, so I didn't read it from A to Z, and I was scanning quickly to see, is someone going to jail? But it doesn't look like. No, they say, we're guilty. We saw a problem 2021 and we didn't do anything. They didn't do anything about it. Blah, 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 blah. You know, there's going to be a 4 years independent uh, association or federal governance to double check that they install the money laundering policy. I guess they're going to check if they do it properly. But yeah, you see, Bharat Mesrani, CEO of TD Bank Group, said in a statement that the bank has taken full responsibility, blah 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 blah. No one is going to jail. CZ had to go to jail. I don't know. To me, double standard, right? Because you create something, you're not following the traditional finance. You try to be regulated. You know, they make it hard for you, and after that, they fine you for something you did. You know, at the beginning, at your startup, when no one was believing in this sector, right? And now this sector, it's kind of start to overpower the traditional finance market in a momentum. I'm not saying that, you know, they have more money injected in crypto than traditional one, but you know, it's not a joke anymore. Bitcoin is not a joke anymore. No one is laughing about, you know, Bitcoin anymore. The ones that are laughing, usually they cry 2-3 years after on the bull run peak. All right, so I don't know why today, I guess today or this week, I'm sensitive about these things because I'm kind of fed up of double standards. All right, so now we do have still here, let me see if I'm not mistaken. So we had a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3 in yellow, right? And then here we had the wave 4. This was the retracement of this third wave. Now you can see that I can invalidate this count because the wave 4 went too low. So that's it. So what do I have left? I do have left this A, B, C to complete the wave 1 in orange, circle orange. And now we had an A, a B, NSE. Did I do the 1-to-1 ratio? I didn't do it, but just for fun, let's go and check. Let's see. Actually, let me take out this little guy also, so can do that more accurately. Yeah, pretty spot on. All right, so we did reach. Let me zoom in a little bit because we do have overlapping. So yeah, okay, so let me go on the 1 hour just for fun. If we had a reaction, you can see that we can almost had the reaction bend on at the 0.786, 59,350. Actually, we wick a little bit below that. It looks like now we are reversing. Now, if that is the case, does it mean that we're already starting to work on this third wave? Now let me move around these little guys here. It could be, or let me see, what can it be also? Actually, it would work pretty much, yeah, very well, honestly, if we do that, because we had ABC for the B, and here the C. It also reacted to the 0.618. Honestly, it does work well, but now we need to see something more impulsive. Well, easy to say now, but the first thing we wanted to see is just take a downtrend here and see that the price is breaking the downtrend, and you can see now it is doing that now. So this is check first confirmation, one of many confirmation that we need to see, to say what, to start to make a case that maybe this wave 2 is completed and we're making a third wave. So now, once again, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and so if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, what would be the target for a third wave? So let me put it here on the right side. So take the beginning to the end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2 that we think is, for a moment. Now I take the setting for diagonal, and I'm going to put the orange color. All right, so 1-to-1 ratio, I leave it there because, you know, we never know if all this could be just an A, a B, and a C. When we will have a better, we're going to be more deep in this third wave or C wave or whatever, then we can analyze the structure, then we can decide which one is which. But worst case scenario, hear me out, worst case scenario, 74,488, so that's a new higher high. The previous one was here, 73,948. That would be honestly disappointing. So now, because we always did pretty much, well, we did the first wave in a diagonal, we did correction, so I'm expecting as well this third wave to be a diagonal, so A, B, and a C. So ideally, minimally, we need to reach 1.236. That would be 78,707. That's the minimum, but wouldn't make it really trustable or reliable. Ideally, yeah, 1.38 would be the minimum for a third wave. That's 81,000. I'm going to round that up to 400, so 81,400. Now, even better if we reach the 1.618 at 86,049 would be very, very good. So this is what can happen. Let me put it on the right side maybe. So we can keep it there and it's not going to bother us. All right, so now let's go back here. So for a moment, it's looking good. Could we make another retest on this downtrend line? Possibly, but I'm not sure we need it, honestly. Let's see here the RSI, maybe 4 hours. I mean, RSI can continue very, we're just at the 50s, right? So I do believe we can reach at least the MA 200 before maybe having a reaction, and that would be micro counting maybe a 1, 2, and then we would go higher. All right, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin for today. I'm very happy. Everybody today it's happy. Well, it's a green day, so life is beautiful, isn't it? And yeah, just wanna pretty much sure in the area of Florida, no one is watching YouTube or TV because they're having the just a destructive hurricane. So just wanna say that you know um I think about you guys, and you know keep it up. What doesn't kill you make you stronger, that a song said. It's actually truth. I don't know, it's a horrible situation, and try to take it in a good way. I don't know. We're getting rid of our stuff. Let's be minimalist. Do we need all that shit? I am at that stage. I had a flood, and man, that I had to clean up my basement, and really helped me out to light it up, not in a fire, but make it less crowdy. And actually, no, I'm not hoping or wishing for another one, but I'm still working on being more minimalist, I guess. And also, yeah, I know it's really hard, but you will get through. You will get through. And also, that's a great moment to know who are your friends, who care really about you. And I know it's hard, but at the end of the day, it's only material stuff. And if you ever encounter a new friendship, a pure one, a really good one, well, that's worth much more than, I think. Anyway, it's worth a lot of money, in my opinion, because knowing someone that can have your back, it's almost priceless. All right, so was my little message. So stay strong, my friends, and well, Bitcoin is going to make a higher high soon, so maybe it's going to brighten your life again. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.